Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad dressing mayonnaise. We'll start by gathering a few simple ingredients you likely already have in your pantry. Homemade mayonnaise is a fantastic alternative to store-bought versions, offering a fresher taste and allowing you to control the ingredients. Plus, it's surprisingly easy to whip up, especially with the right tools. Let's get started on creating this creamy, delicious base for your favorite dressings. For our homemade mayonnaise, you'll need 1 large egg yolk, ideally at room temperature, which helps with emulsification. Next, choose a neutral oil like avocado oil or a light olive oil. Avoid extra virgin olive oil as its strong flavor can overpower the mayonnaise. You'll also need a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice or white wine vinegar for that essential tang and to help stabilize the emulsion. A teaspoon of Dijon mustard and a pinch of salt and pepper will round out the flavors. The key to perfect mayonnaise is the emulsification process. Start by combining your egg yolk, Dijon mustard, lemon juice or vinegar, and seasonings in a tall, narrow container. This shape is crucial for the immersion blender to work effectively. With the blender firmly at the bottom, begin blending and slowly drizzle in about 1 cup of your chosen oil. Keep the blender at the bottom for the first 10 to 15 seconds, then gradually move it up and down until the mixture is thick and creamy. Once your mayonnaise is made, the fun begins with flavor variations. You can easily transform it into a delicious salad dressing by adding fresh herbs like dill or parsley, minced garlic, a touch of honey, or even a pinch of smoked paprika. For storage, transfer your homemade mayonnaise to an airtight container and keep it refrigerated. It will stay fresh for about 1 week. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your kitchen adventures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.